The initiative was to establish pauwhenua in significant places to showcase significant tūpuna. So tūpuna who were, rangatira and who led our people in different ways. So a lot of these rangatira are, our whānau that lived in these places.
The pūrākau for Oni Tāhua is around Maui and when he fished up your island, the island that you guys live in. The ika a Maui. When he was pulling that ika up, he had 1 foot here and 1 foot in Kaikoura. And when he was pulling it up, that's how the sand heaped up. So a number of years ago, dock staff bought off these bones. They thought they were seal bones, but we had the pathologist look at them and they were human. Where the uri of the hekenga are coming from Kawhia, Waikawo, and then into Taranaki and then down into here. Rārua, the Tainui iwi, and the Tokomaru iwi are Te Atiawa and Ngāti Tama. And so those three iwi have close relationships. If it wasn't for our ancestors working together, none of us would be here now. And so it's really important to ensure that we maintain our mana on the whenua. Over the years, there have been iwi come and iwi go. And so that represents ngā haere whā, everyone that's been here and even us that are here now. So we acknowledge that there were iwi here before us, but now we've taken up the responsibility of being the kaitiaki.
For us, it's a really spiritual place. It just holds a lot, for me anyhow. I feel very strongly that we're connected here and we know that our tūpuna are always around when we come out here.